time for my favorite part of the day, cocktail time. And I'm with Chef Peter Vandermeij at Osteria Leana in Oyster Bay, New York, and he's going to teach us how to make the Spicy Osterita. Are you ready, Chef?
I'm ready.
I'm ready to drink, so let's move on.
All right,
All right,
thanks,
come on,
Emily.
let's do it.
So the Spicy Osterita is one of our favorite cocktails here. We have 4 ingredients. This is a slightly complicated cocktail, but it's all we do is add it into a rocks glass and a shaker, mix it up, and add ice. So let's start with our favorite part, the tequila. Nice red tequila. You can use as many ounces as you wish, you know, depending on the time of day.
Exactly.
Exactly. Fresh squeezed orange juice.
So why do you use the fresh squeezed orange juice instead of regular orange juice?
Obviously, it gives you a little more acidity when you use it fresh squeezed, but you also want to remove some of the pulp so it lasts longer.
Yep.
But you know, it just gives you a nice brightness and freshness. This is a muddled cucumber. So basically you chop up a cucumber and stick it in your food processor and you'll have muddled cucumber. And finally, a little bit of lime juice. And then lastly, to get the spiciness, is Mike's Hot Honey, made in Brooklyn. So now we have a sweetness.
Okay, this cocktail sounds delicious. Are we ready to shake?
We're ready to shake.
All right, let's do it.
Here we go. Give it a good shake.
Look at that shaking technique, huh?
Got to get up by the ear. Okay. Pop it out. Strain it.
Oh my goodness, that looks colorful and bright and, I mean,
Yep. And
flavorful, obviously.
Obviously, and we just garnish it with an orange, and you have your Spicy Osterita.